All right, Timothy, also 9533 Training Consulting. Let's go over grip. There's a lot of different kinds of grips out there. There's the predominant grip out there, which is thumbs forward. When I learned back in the early 90s, I learned a crush grip. So what a crush grip is, right, is that when I come out, I then basically wrap both hands. This is what I learned. This is what I learned right here. Wrapped them all together, thumb over thumb, pulled everything down. The problem is that look at all this area here, all this purchase that the gun can go ahead and recoil to, right? And then there was the cup and saucer. That's just not going to happen. You cup saucer, just don't do that. But that's what I learned. Now, thumb forward is actually pretty intuitive and pretty simple. But what you can do is, for one, finger off the trigger, finger off the trigger. You cannot see it in the trigger well. Finger off the trigger, okay? I hate it when I see that. It drives me absolutely freaking batty. So I'm gonna get a really good grip, really good. Now I don't have super big hands, but I've got a good purchase on my firearm. Now, if you notice right here, look at this. Look at all this free real estate. And you know what the funny thing is that looks just like the heel of my hand. Look at this. Look at that. Look at that. Look how that fits together. You see that? That fits together really nice. So what I want to do is I want to go ahead and fill that space. See here? Got my hitchhiker thumb out. Hitchhiker thumb, fill the space. Go ahead and lay my thumb forward. Now I can put my thumb actually on the slide and people are like, oh my God, you're going to hurt yourself. I'm going to do it right now and show you that it's not going to happen. Okay? Thumbs forward. And what that does is going to help with the recoil to the left. And then I want to go ahead and draw back down. So I'm going to leave my thumb here and I'm going to show you how that works. All right. So when I do this, I'm then able to wrap my hands all the way around. By doing that, now I'm going to leave my thumb there, I can get a really good purchase on the firearm. So let's leave my thumb here and I'll show you what it looks like. It looks like this. Did I notice it? No. Didn't notice it at all. But what it did is it allowed me to handle that recoil. No, my thumb isn't hurt. I didn't feel a thing. Leaving my thumb there is giving me that purchase to keep the firearm straight so I'm not getting the lateral recoil to the left, okay? So that's our grip. That is something that now look here, look. Not looking down. And it made it. It's something you can teach yourself. Yes, is it gonna be perfect every time? No. Is it gonna mess up? Yes, but don't worry about it. It's gonna work for you, all right? This is 9533 Training Consulting, on time, on target, never quit. Hoo-yah.